स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक आणि लाखांनी लोकांनी देशाच्या स्वातंत्र्या खातीर आपली पुराय जीण ओंपली. महात्मा गांधी आणि हेर जायत्या फुडाऱ्यांनी पुराय देशाक इंग्रजांच्या जुलमी राजवटी आड झुजपाक एकठांय हाडले. तांणी भारताची आर्थीक आणि सांस्कृतीक महाशक्त म्हणून उदरगत करपाक व्हड वावर केला. तांच्या योगदाना खातीर आमचो देश आतां स्वातंत्र्याची 75वी वर्सां मनयता, अशें विधान गोंयचे राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लाय हाणें केलें. मुरगांव बंदर प्राधिकरणान आझादी का अमृत महोत्सव निमतान आयोजीत केल्ले खासा कार्यावळीत राज्यपाल उलयतालो. ह्या वेळार माचयेर MPAचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर AV रमण्णा, उपाध्यक्ष GP राय हाजीर आशिल्ले.
I would like to say, as a student of law, that repealing provision introduced because if that provision is there, then the freedom of India would be considered by the entire world as a gift of British Parliament. We don't want that. Our concept is Bharat. What do you mean by Bharat? Basil Eredi, that means a word of our ancient language. Bas means light. If you are getting pleasure out of that, that's called Bharat. That is our concept. One of the interpretations given to that. Bharat is concerned, so many interpretations are there. India is also concerned, civilization and other things, interpretations are there. Then Constituent Assembly, our forefathers, they discussed this aspect and declared that under Article 395 of the Constitution, we disown that, repeal that, abandon that, and added the first word in the Constitution, that is, we the people.